So here we have the Cord EVIRA. We've been using this at Cleevely Motors for the last few months and I can highly recommend it. It's a fantastic charger that saves every workshop money because rather than having a fixed point on the wall, you can use this mobile so it could be in any of the work bays in your workshop. With these multiple ends, you get to choose which end is suitable, so whether you've got commando sockets, 16, 32, 10 amp, or also the 3-pin plug as well. Not only that, but it has the screen on it. Now what we find, apart from being able to switch how much current goes into the vehicle, once it is charging, you've got the display of what the voltage is, what the current the vehicle is taking. So it's a great diagnostic tool, as well as being a convenient charger in the workshop. So the Cord EVIRA, highly recommended by us at Cleevely Motors. So this Cord EVIRA couldn't be simpler to use. Got it plugged into power, so the screen's on. We can set a delay timer, so how long the charge will go on for. We can also set with this time button, we press and hold it, you can set the capacity, the amount of power that actually goes into the vehicle. So if you only want to put a few kilowatt hours in so that the customer doesn't suck all your power overnight, then you can set how much goes in. You can also set the current, so we want 10 amps to go into this vehicle, but you can have 6 or 8 as well. So simple as that, the charger's all set up, plug it in, get charging. What we have on this display is a countdown for how long the delay timer we've set, and we've got a green light to show that the car's charging and that there are no faults in the car. It's ready to go.